Are you in need of prompt and reliable electrical services in Coeur d'Alene? Well, worry no more. Introducing our team of dedicated electricians, serving the Coeur d'Alene area around the clock. Whether it's a midnight power outage or a weekend lighting emergency, we're here to provide reliable solutions whenever you need us. We understand the importance of keeping your home or business running smoothly. That's why we offer a comprehensive range of electrical services to address any issue you may encounter, from basic repairs like fixing faulty switches and outlets to complex installations such as upgrading your electrical panel or installing outdoor lighting. We've got the skills and expertise to handle it all. Need help with ceiling fan installation? No problem. Interested in upgrading to smart lighting? We've got you covered. Whatever your electrical needs, we're here to make sure your property is safe, functional, and up to code. Look no further. Our team of expert electricians is available 24/7 to handle all your electrical repair and installation needs. Don't let electrical problems disrupt your life any longer. Take the first step towards peace of mind by calling us today at the below number. Our friendly and experienced team is standing by, ready to provide the top quality service you deserve. With our 24/7 availability and commitment to customer satisfaction, you can trust us to get the job done right every time. Let's work together to keep your home or business powered up and running smoothly. Contact us now to schedule your appointment and experience the difference our expert electricians can make.